Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Salwa. I'm the Human Recruitment Manager of ABC Company. As you all know, ABC Company is one of the leading and most innovative organization in the retail consumer goods industry. ABC Company also grew rapidly and continues to do so by offering high quality casual apparels at surprisingly affordable prices for men, women and children. However, there is a problem that we currently facing, which is a product development officer of ABC Company will be leaving at the end of August 2021. Thus, we need to recruit a new product development officer for our company. So firstly, before we start the recruit application, can you suggest what are the job description and also job specification for the position of product development officer?
Sure, of course. So there are three criteria that need to be included in job specification, which is skills, knowledge and experience, and personal drive and integrity. So for skills, we need to have an excellent communicator to make sure that they can communicate well, whether it is online or offline, and also to communicate with other departments such as marketing, engineering, and manufacturing throughout the product development process. In terms of knowledge and experience, we need to have at least 2 years experience candidates in any working experience related in product development. And for personal drive and integrity, we need someone who will be aware of own and team performance and its impact on others. So what do you think, guys? Do you think 2 years experience is enough?
In my opinion, I believe that 2 years and above is suitable enough for the job since we are looking for the experienced worker.
Okay, so moving on to job description, the responsibility that product development officer need to carry is, the first one is to oversee product and trend direction with the aim of creating a focused brand concept. The second one is to review merchandise lines so as to ensure harmony with other brands of merchandise. And the third one is to present brand concept in all meetings with the management and review styles with merchants. And I think that is all for job specification and job description.
All right, a very great one, Haniza. Thank you so much for your suggestion. All right, next, how do we recruit a new product development officer? Any suggestion for the selection process?
All right, thank you, Salwa. I'm the product development manager. So I will explain about the selection process. The first one is announcing the job by making and distributing the advertisement. Second one is reviewing job, application, resume, and cover letter of the candidates to select the suitable candidate for the position. The third one is conducting initial candidate screening, perhaps by having phone interview to identify whether the candidate have a good personality or not, to make sure that they have the ability to work in our company. So I move to
All right, okay, I'm Zahirah, Product Development Assistant. We'll continue about the selection process. Okay, moving on to the fourth process, which is conducting in-person interviews. This process is one of the most vital procedure in order to clarify the candidates who have been shortlisted. And then moving on to the fifth process, which is making final candidate selection test. There will be two types of tests, which is performance test as well as the aptitude test. Performance test will be conducting to the local and or expatriate candidates with working experience, while aptitude test for the candidates with no working experience. Last process is finalize the best candidates for the position, and the candidate will be informed through email or phone call for further recruiting procedure. So I think that's all for the selection process.
Wow, a very brilliant idea. Both of you have given me a great idea for the selection process. All right, now my question is, which employees should we recruit, either local or expatriate?
all right. I think hiring local employees is better because the cost much less than experts. Hiring an expatriate can cost up to 2-3 times more than hiring a local candidate. Costs include everything from the expert's normal salary to relocation costs. And those costs, by the way, are not just for the expert, but also for their family. That's all.
How about HR team? Do you guys have any opinion?
Okay, thank you. I respect your opinion, Salwa, Asna. However, as on behalf of Human Resource Department, we have chosen to hire expatriate as it brings more benefits than hiring someone locally. An expatriate worker can bring the culture and processes of the local office to the new one. And most expatriates have worked in one of their company's local offices. So they will understand how the business work. And one of the benefits of hiring expatriates is the quality of expatriate itself. where most local candidates will not understand our company's practices if we are trying to open international office, and sending someone who knows the ropes of our company will make it easier to train local workers. And I believe that hiring one talented and hardworking individual may actually be worth than 3 local newcomers to the practices of the trade. So I think that's all for me.
All right, thank you for the opinion. Both of your answer will be in my consideration. But in my opinion, I think hiring a expatriate can bring benefit to our company more because maybe their ideas and experience are far better than local people's. Hence, I think we should recruit expatriate. So guys, I think that is all for our meeting for today. And thank you everyone for your amazing cooperation. By the way, I think on the development team and I that will be involved in the interview session. So thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome, Mariam Anwar. My name is Salwa. I'm the Human Recruitment Manager of ABC Company. I have received your resume and your application form. So before we start our interview, please introduce yourself.
Waalaikumsalam and a very good morning to Miss Salwa and everyone. My name is Mariam Anwar. I'm from Telford Street, United Kingdom. I have graduated in bachelor's degree in marketing at Birmingham City University. Besides that, I have work experience at Hassan, Belfast, United Kingdom as a product development officer for about 4 years and 1 month.
Great. All right, let's move on to the second question. Why should we hire you?
I think you should hire me for this position because I possess all the skills and experience that you are looking for. I am pretty confident that I am the best candidate for this job role. It's not just my background in the past projects, but also my people skills, which will be applicable in this position. On the other hand, I am a self-motivated person and I try to exceed my superiors' expectations with high quality work. Being a fast learner, I quickly pick up business knowledge related to my project. Lastly, I would like to add that I work well both as an individual contributor and also as a team member. Collectively, all these skills put together make me as a complete package for this job.
Wow, impressive. All right, next. What can you do for us that the other candidates can't?
I bring 3 things to the table that most candidates can't offer. First is my problem-solving ability that I have used to improve my team's performance. Second is in-depth knowledge of marketing strategy. And lastly, previous experience with email marketing. My experience at H&M Company taught me the importance of streamlining communication among all members of the team for any type of project. Other than that, I am able to organize and maintain a cohesive, smooth process to keep all members up to date and on board with the project from start to finish. Also, my experience at H&M proves that I can help the department accomplish this goal. Therefore, I would make me the best candidate for the job.
I see. All right. Question number 4. How do you handle work-related stress?
I react to situations rather than to stress. That way, the situation is handled and doesn't become stressful. I actually work better under pressure, and I have found that I enjoy working in a challenging environment. From a personal perspective, I manage stress by visiting the gym every evening, and not to forget, I also spend my time playing with my cats because I found that spending time with them is really helpful for me to release my stress.
All right. For the question number 5, if you could only use one word to yourself, what would it be?
I think the word that describes me the best is dynamic. In my 4 years and 1 month of work experience, I have been caught off guard in my situations where the strategies and goals change in a blink. However, I have managed to deliver well in environments where nothing was certain and plans have been developed successfully with the task development. Hence, I am certain that I can adapt to any changes in their organization or strategy and ace it. That's all from me. Thank you.
That's a good answer. And I think that's all for the interview question. So thank you to Ms. Mariam for giving a very great answer. So product development team and HR assistant, do you have anything to add on?
Yes, okay. So after listening to the interview answer, I personally think that Miss Mariam are suitable for the job based on her education background and her excellent work experience. So I think we have found a credible employee for our company.
Thank
And
you so much for your compliment.
And in my opinion, I believe looking at her confidence and motivation in able to handle the position and stress given by it, I believe that she is capable in becoming the officer of product development team.
I also agree that Miss Mariam has a great working experience. Thus, it's very suitable to put her in this position. So, Miss Mariam, we will proceed by send you the offer letter to your email. So, congrats and thank you again to you for attending our interview session today. So, I think that's all from us. Thank you.
All right. Thank you, everyone.